Think about a classic nail polish that would be perfect for your Saturday nights to your Sunday mornings. You will think of the French Manicure. Till today, French Manicure is the most classic nail polish look that you can rock with any look and style. If you don't have the idea of what a classic French manicure looks like, don't you worry, we got your back. Basically, a timeless and classical French manicure uses two colors, a sheer nude color or light pink color as the base of the nails. In the second color is a distinguishing white polish stripe at the tip. The width of the stripe actually varies on the length of the nails. Not only manicure, it's popular even in pedicure style, especially among women who want their toenails to look natural yet vibrant and polished. Women who wear open-toed shoes or sandals want French pedicure the most. The French manicure became popular when Hollywood directors wanted a universal look for the actresses. Back then, everyone loved it for its chic and feminine appeal. Till today, it's the most classic and universal look. Now, if you want a perfect French manicure, you will think of going to a manicure salon. But those salon visits would be time-consuming and heavy on your pockets. So, in today's video, we will be showing you how you can get a perfect French manicure at home.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
French manicure is not only about painting your nails, you need to prep your nails in a proper way. First, clean your nails to remove the previous nail polish and other dirt from your nails. You can use this Cutex ultra powerful nail polish remover, which contains 98% acetone and removes the toughest polishes from your hands. After cleaning, shape the nail with clippers according to desire, but classic French manicure shape is a square shape. Many of us think that buffing nails is bad, but for a perfect manicure, a gentle buff is the secret. Use the Revlon Shape and Buff. It's an essential multitasking tool that has two surfaces. One shape smooths your nails, and the other buffs your nail to a glossy finish. It's truly an all-in-one buffer that you would need. Now that we have come to the actual process of painting the nails, there are various types of fun ways to do a French manicure. But today, we will show you the classic French manicure. Apply one thin coat of OPI Natural Nail Base Coat to your nails. Its proper application makes the nail polish last longer than usual. You need to paint the tip of your nails according to your nail shapes. But if you want your nails to look longer, you need to curve the polish according to your natural nails. Try to draw a smile at the tip by using a fine brush. To get a perfect line, use one coat of Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Xtreme Wear on the shade White On, and let the nail polish dry. Using a sheer pink shade is a secret tip used by many nail artists for a more natural look. Use Essie High Maintenance, which is a sheer pale pink shade. This shade will hide any nail imperfections and yellowing. For finishing the manicure and sealing your amazing creation, use Sally Hansen Insta-Dri Top Coat. This amazing top coat dries your nails in seconds, so that your nail polish doesn't chip off easily. French manicure is a classic manicure style. You will be amazed by your nails after you follow the steps properly. Moreover, you can flaunt your nails with any kind of look you want. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos useful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.